We are giving you now the albeit challenging, extremely rewarding opportunity to do what you love.
Are you firing me?
Oh, Beth, you know our policy on the F word. That's a no-no word. No, Beth, we're not firing you. We're promoting you. Promoting you to Dream Seeker.
What does that mean?
It means get out of here.
What?
Listen here, Hamish. One squeal out of you to the pigs, or to anyone, even to your granny, and you're brown bread. Comprende? So don't go blabbing your mouth, or I will break those fingers of yours and then bury you. Hey, do you understand?
Saying you're done with chefing would be wrong. Don't let David ruin your calling. It's what you do with your food, Steve. It speaks to people.
You sound like a posh twat. My food speaks to people. And then I'm tired. I'm tired of talking.
Chance would be a fine thing. Cafe and Morningside are looking for a head chef. It's less money, but the hours are better.
De mémoire, là, hein?
Aïe! Oh. Non, décidément, la culture, la couture n'est pas mon fort. Clémenceau a découvert ce matin que nous sommes dans une souricière et qu'on pourrait un beau jour faire flamber la caisse à mythes en inondant d'essence l'escalier en bois, simplement en craquant une allumette et sans que nous ayons aucune chance d'en réchapper. Il s'entraîne à nouer des draps pour descendre de son 3e étage.
Veut-il passer par la fenêtre? Il lui faudra pour cela desceller les barreaux.
Certaines des fixations du bas sont fragilisées. Avec un bon coup d'épaule, on devrait dégager une ouverture suffisante pour passer.
You got a nice chin, too. When you smile, it goes up like a balloon. No, better, like a boy, like some kind of boy. Shut up! I ain't finished talking yet.
You're not?
No, what are you kidding? I gotta tell you about your mouth. It's beautiful.